Today we have a partnership that we've been working on for probably about a year now with Habitat for Humanity and some of the other service providers and partners or sponsors for the painting, landscaping, and roofing. The East Tampa CRA and the CRA board actually approved $1.7 million to go towards emergency roofing, repairs, and rehab in East Tampa.
I'm so excited today to see an initiative that we've been talking about since 2019 for our aging population, especially in our marginalized communities. Folks who can't afford to reach back and pay $10,000 for a roof repair. Having Habitat for Humanity being a part and volunteers helping our aging seniors, helping our communities.
The city of Tampa is together. They look out for one another. And this is what neighbors should do. And a lot of people, they think there's something behind it. But it's just the help, and that's like neighborly. And I really do appreciate it. This is a part of Tampa for Tampa. And not only us, it's the neighbors, the volunteers. And it's going to show that people do care. And what we put in it, that's what you get out of it.